Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus SH Figuarts Jujutsu Kaisen figures. We'll dive deep into what makes each line unique, helping you decide which is best for your collection. We'll explore their distinct approaches to design, poseability, and included extras. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, empowering you to make an informed choice for your display. When it comes to articulation and sculpt, both lines excel but with different philosophies. Figma often employs a more visible, yet incredibly sturdy joint system, allowing for expressive, almost exaggerated poses. Their sculpts are detailed, capturing character essence. SH Figuarts, conversely, frequently prioritizes seamless integration of joints, aiming for a highly realistic appearance that closely mirrors the anime. Their sculpts are often praised for their accuracy, offering a more natural aesthetic. Regarding accessories and scale, both lines offer compelling additions. Figma figures are renowned for their extensive selection of swappable faces, multiple hand gestures, and dynamic effect pieces, enhancing display options. SH Figuarts also provides a strong assortment, often including specific attack effects and alternate expressions crucial for recreating iconic scenes. Both lines typically stand at a consistent 6-inch scale, making them compatible with many other popular action figure collections. Finally, let's consider price point and overall value. Figma figures often sit at a slightly premium price, reflecting their durable build quality and the sheer volume of included accessories. SH Figuarts, while still high quality, frequently offers a more budget-friendly entry point, providing exceptional sculpt and articulation for its cost. Ultimately, your decision hinges on whether you prefer Figma's robust, accessory-rich experience or SH Figuarts' often more realistic and seamless presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.